As the Consumer Electronics Show kicks off for 2026, the tech landscape is being redefined by two major shifts: intelligent living and reimagined personal tech. In our homes and cars, the AI butler has arrived through humanoid robots like LG's Seloy and sophisticated in-dash assistants that manage everything from complex tasks to the emergence of flying car concepts. Meanwhile, personal devices are reaching new heights of hardware innovation. We're seeing the debut of trifold phones that expand into 10-inch tablets, micro RGB LED televisions that dwarf previous standards at over 115 inches, and the complete standardization of the AI PC powered by next-gen silicon from Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm.
Welcome to The Explainer, where we break down the biggest stories using the power of slides. This week, we're diving headfirst into the massive tech conference CES 2026. We've sorted through all the noise to bring you the 5 biggest trends that are seriously about to change your world.
Okay, so let's just jump right in with a big question, one that really frames everything we saw this year. Imagine this. What if the AI we've all been chatting with was no longer trapped behind our screens? What if it was actually out here in the physical world with us?
And that question? It leads us straight to our very first and probably most important trend from CES 2026, the dawn of physical AI. This is it. This is the year that intelligence basically got a body, breaking out of the data centers and moving into the actual objects all around us.
You know, for years, AI was just software, right? Something on an app or a website. Well, not anymore. The real innovation now is in the hardware. We're talking smart glasses, wearables, personal assistants, things that don't just answer you, they actually do things for you in the real world.
The secret sauce making this all happen is something called agentic AI. Now, this is not the AI we're used to. An agentic AI can understand a goal, like book me a flight to New York, and then it just goes and does it. It handles all the steps on its own. It's a massive leap from just asking a question to actually delegating a whole task. So with that idea of physical AI in our heads, let's talk about the most personal piece of tech we own. Our second major trend is all about how your phone is now foldable. Yeah, the classic smartphone slab is officially, finally, evolving. I mean, think about it. We've been living in a world of these rigid glass and metal rectangles for over a decade. But now, companies are literally bending the rules. We're seeing this incredible explosion of creativity moving way beyond a single screen to devices that give you entirely new ways to work and play.
And this really shows the whole journey. We started with these super thin single-screen phones. Then came the foldables, which were basically like having a tablet in your pocket. But the absolute game changer this year is the trifold. We're talking about devices like Samsung's new one that unfolds into a massive 10-inch plus display. That's some serious real estate for getting things done on the go.
And this quote from Mashable just nails it. It's not just about a bigger screen. It's a total shift in what a mobile device can even be. The lines between a phone, a tablet, and even a laptop are getting really, really blurry.
Okay, from the device in your pocket, let's move into your living room. Trend number 3, the robots are finally coming home. And I don't mean the little vacuum cleaners. I'm talking about a whole new generation of genuinely helpful assistants that has arrived.
So what's the recipe for a robot that can actually help? It boils down to these 3 things. First, dexterity. We're talking hands and arms that can handle things delicately. Second, a powerful brain that's actually on the device, so it can learn your habits without calling home to the cloud all the time. And third, it has to be able to get around your house without, falling down the stairs. And here are 2 of the stars of the show. You've got LG's Cloyd on one side. It's this humanoid assistant that wants to create a zero-labor home with its super precise arms. Then on the other side, you have the SwitchBot Onero H1. It's a little more practical, on a wheeled base, and it's focused on helping with everyday chores like laundry. So 2 different approaches to the same goal, actually helping out around the house. Okay, we've covered AI getting physical and robots getting helpful. Let's switch gears to what we're all looking at. Trend number 4 is that our displays, well, they're getting a massive upgrade, both in size and in quality.
Just look at that number, 116 inches. That is the size of a new TV from Hisense. It's pretty much the perfect symbol for the bigger is better trend that was everywhere this year. Your home theater is about to feel like an actual theater.
But it's not just size, it's quality. The tech making this happen is called micro RGB.
Instead of one big backlight shining through a bunch of filters, this tech uses millions of tiny individual red, green, and blue lights to make the picture. And the result is brightness and color that are just on another planet.
This chart puts that jump in brightness into perspective. We all thought modern OLEDs were bright, but these new micro RGB displays, in some cases, they are more than twice as bright. It's a pretty stunning upgrade for your eyeballs.
So we have physical AI, folding phones, helpful robots, and incredible screens. But what's the one thing that connects all of them? Well, that brings us to our fifth and final trend, the brains behind the whole operation, the powerful new chips that make all this other stuff possible.
Every single trend we've talked about needs a huge leap in processing power. And the new chips from companies like Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm are built specifically to handle these crazy AI tasks, not up in the cloud, but right there on your device, which means it's all faster, more private, and way more efficient.
And here's what that actually means for you. With Intel's new chips, you can get amazing graphics without needing to buy a separate expensive graphics card. For all the gamers out there, AMD's new Ryzen chips are pushing performance to just insane levels. And if you want a powerful laptop with a battery that actually lasts all day, Qualcomm's new Snapdragon is making that a reality.
So let's do a quick recap of the 5 biggest things from CES 2026. 1. AI is becoming physical. It's moving from the cloud into our world. 2. Phones are breaking out of their boring rectangular shape with new foldable designs. 3. Home robots are finally becoming genuinely helpful. 4. Our TVs are getting bigger and brighter than we ever imagined. And 5. All of this is powered by a new generation of super smart chips.
And all of this brings us to one last big thought. All these trends point to a world where our devices are smarter, our homes are more automated, and intelligence is just everywhere. Which kind of begs the question, as technology starts to do more and more, what work is truly left for us to do?